Sometimes there's not a lot of time, but you want a cheesesteak. Today, we're gonna do a fast cheesesteak using a brand friend of ours. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, guys, to get started, we're gonna make these some loaded cheesesteaks. I'm gonna start out by dicing some onions, just nice and fine. If you wanna do strips, that's fine too. And also some green peppers. All right, now that we got those diced, we're gonna come over to the griddle. We have a pre-warmed griddle on a low heat. We're gonna get our diced onions down, get our peppers down. We're also gonna get some mushrooms down. I'll let the store help me out on that one. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and some cracked pepper to the onions and the peppers. We're just gonna toss the onions and peppers around until they're nice and caramelized. After about 3 minutes, I add about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of oil to the mushrooms and finish sauteing those. And now, after they're nice, got some color on them, I'm gonna add salt and pepper. All the vegetables are pretty much done. I'm just gonna bring those to the front of the griddle where they're just gonna kind of hang out and finish kind of cooking. I'm gonna put just a little bit of oil down. Now we're gonna come in with our Steak-Umm sheets. Yes, don't have a lot of time. Hey, give these Steak-Umm sheets a try. Perfect for those nights that you don't have time or you don't have any ribeye thawed out. Give these a flip. These don't take very long. All right, once they got a nice little color to them, we're gonna come in with some seasoning. Going in with that Blackstone Essentials Blend, and one of my most favorite, that blackened seasoning. All right. I'll come in and cut our meat up. Again, going high heat. Perfect, those cook up very, very nice. Now, let's partition. I'll make 2 nice sandwiches here, guys. There we go. I wanna make sure there's a lot of meat. Mushrooms, I'm gonna do some onions, I'm gonna do some peppers. Oh yeah, this is loaded, y'all. Loaded cheesesteaks. Mix that up. Might need a little bit more over here. All right. Now let's talk about cheese, y'all. Let's talk about cheese. Going in with American cheese. A little bit American. And I like a little provolone in mine as well. Now we got some nice rolls from the bakery. Now, these aren't typical like bakery style, like you get like New Jersey or Philadelphia, but this is the best I could find, y'all. All right. Back into our meat. I just want to incorporate this cheese all into our cheesesteak mixture. That's where the good stuff lays right there, yeah. All right, while that cheese is melting, I want to take our buns. Now, you know me, I'm from the South. We're gonna put some mayonnaise on it. Don't like mayonnaise, all good. The idea here is we're gonna put this roll right on top of our mixture. That does a few things. It steams the bun. And also some of that tallow from the meat get kind of absorbed into the bun. Oh man, that's a beautiful thing. It is a beautiful thing. Let's mix these things up a little bit more. I think we're gonna need some more cheese here. That's just between me and you. And this right here is what you start getting. You see these nice little crusties and stuff from the cheese? Perfect. I'll put a couple more pieces down. This is a cheese steak, so your cheese better be very pronounced in your cheesesteak. Look at all that goodness right there. Golly, boy. Boy, I love a cheesesteak. All right, like I said, with the rolls, got our cut side. I want to put that down right there. We're just gonna let it sit there. And we're gonna let it steam, get all kinds of beautifulness. All right, it's been about a minute. Let's see where we're at. Watch this right here. Bring your spatula right up under. I put a glove on because this does get hot. But look at this. Look at that, y'all. That, my friends, is a cheesesteak of cheesesteaks. All right, guys, let's get finished here. I got some cherry peppers here. They are pickled cherry peppers. Blackstone Betty did this on one of her cheesesteaks when we was down in Florida, and it was absolutely phenomenal. Want to chop up some of these. The seeds, perfectly fine to leave them. I don't know, they add something to it. This one right here is the one I'm going to build. I'm just going to put some of these cherry peppers right in there, just like that. I want to slice a little bit of tomato. I like lettuce and tomato with mine. Just loaded. All right. Come in with a little bit of Essentials Blend, and then a little bit of lettuce. A little bit of lettuce. And that, my friends, is a loaded cheesesteak. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's split this sucker in half. Let's give it a try. Ooh, yeah, baby. Well, look at that. Nice and full. That's the way I like it. Cheers, y'all. It's meaty. It's meaty. It's cheesy. Oh my gosh. I love these peppers. Love, love, love these peppers. I'll put one right there. The bread's nice and soft. Me, I like that little bit of mayonnaise on it, right? Y'all, this is just too easy. Don't have ribeye, don't have anything. Get you some of these, Steak-Umm, put them in the freezer, and have you a cheesesteak when you want. They're running a giveaway right now over on their socials. Be sure to check them out. They're giving away some Blackstones, giving away some free Steak-Umm. Hey, it's a win-win situation. Hey, I appreciate you watching. I want you to head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. Now, I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.